Imagine spending hundreds of sleepless nights trapped in the chaos of endless data, struggling to see the patterns hidden in the noise. Every decision feels like a stab in the dark, every opportunity slipping through your fingers, because the old ways of analyzing, predicting, competing just don't cut it anymore. That frustration, the muscle ache of constantly guessing, watching competitors outpace you with tools you don't fully grasp, it's brutal. Deep down, there's a gnawing anger, maybe even a sense of betrayal, because you know the answers are out there. But where? How do you break the cycle of falling behind in a world that moves faster every second? Here's the truth. Computer vision isn't just another tech buzzword flung around by analysts. It's a game changer screaming to disrupt every damn industry on the planet. And if you're not harnessing it, you're already 2 steps behind. This isn't about small tweaks or surface level gains. It's about flipping your entire playbook, smashing obstacles, and unlocking massive new value nobody saw coming. Now listen closely, because this is not some vague hype. Computer vision lets machines see the world like humans, only better, faster, with relentless precision that doesn't tire or blink. That means instant quality control in factories, identifying defects so subtle your eyes never catch them. That means retail stores finally tracking customer behavior in real time, tailoring experiences 1 pixel at a time, crushing guesswork. That means hospitals using images to catch diseases before symptoms even surface, rewriting what healing looks like. And this wave isn't stopping at tech industries. It's invading agriculture, logistics, insurance, even creative fields with ruthless efficiency. But here's the kicker. To ride this wave, don't rush to buy the shiniest gadget or splash cash on flashy software. Learn the language of data at scale. Build systems that don't just collect images, they understand context, nuance, patterns buried in the chaos no human can spot. Connect those dots across departments, companies, even geographies. And suddenly you don't just predict trends, you shape markets before others even know what hit them. Start by tearing down your blind spots. Ask, where are the hidden leaks draining profit? Where does your operation stumble in the dark? Then pit those pain points against what computer vision can do. Want to slash downtime? Deploy real-time visual monitoring that spots potential failures. Before factories grind to a halt. Need to crush fraud? Train vision models that catch sneaky tricks hiding in claims or documents. Dream of hyper-personalization? Don't settle for guesswork. Create visual profiles that barcode your customers' true desires. But here's the secret only a few grasp. Computer vision's power explodes when combined with human genius. Machines decode pixels and patterns, but it's you who make the revolutionary decisions, building new business models from the insights they generate. Don't get stuck worshipping raw tech. Focus relentlessly on creating that synergy where human vision and artificial vision merge, igniting innovations no rules ever imagined. If you're still stuck believing this is just an upgrade, stop. It's a rebirth. Industry by industry, computer vision is tearing down entire business models that failed to evolve. Clinging to old logic will bury you under disruption. But stepping into this new reality with clarity, boldness, and a hunger to break free, that leads to a future where you don't just survive, you lead. Where your vision doesn't just respond to change, it creates it. Feel that burst inside, that refusal to settle for the flawed world painted by complacency and illusion? Harness it. Be the architect of something unprecedented. Build teams who don't just implement technology but innovate alongside it. Tear down those mental borders, the "this is just how we do things" walls, and replace them with networks of collaboration, challenge, and relentless progress. Every second you hesitate, your competition tightens their grip. Every excuse you whisper holds you back. This moment demands radical action. Go all in. Laser focus your efforts on integrating computer vision, not as a tool, but as a force multiplier for freedom, creativity, and unshackled success. This is bigger than you, bigger than any single company. It's the dawn of an era where industries aren't just transformed, they're reborn through sight. So rise above the noise, shatter illusions, and claim the power to see and shape the future in ways most can't even imagine yet. The question isn't if computer vision will reshape the world. It's, will you lead that reshaping? Or watch from the sidelines as everything you built slips away? Don't just watch. Act. Now.